A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. Step 1. Open the eApp. Launch the eApp on your smartphone. Make sure you relog in with your account details. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once you're in the app, look for the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Billing. In the Account section, find and select the Billing option. This will take you to your billing overview. Step 4. View your bill. Here, you can see your current bill amount, payment history, and any upcoming charges. Tap on View Bill for more details. Step 5. Check for notifications. After reviewing your bill, check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account. This can help you avoid unexpected charges. Sometimes, the app may not refresh automatically, so if you don't see the latest bill, try pulling down on the screen to refresh. I hope this helps you easily check your bill on the eApp. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.